Well, we have a variety of donuts. We have, of course, the cream-filled donuts and Boston cream, and we have delicious Danish, cheese Danish, peach, cherry, blueberry. We have a chocolate chip cheese and coconut, and I think that's everything on the Danish end. And then we have fruit tarts and key lime tarts, cheesecake cup. We have a peanut butter mousse pie, a chocolate mousse pie. We have cannolis, eclairs. Just try to think what else we have. We also offer birthday cakes and
The
yes.
Granny Smith apples covered in caramel and then chocolate, right?
Oh, yes, yes, we have those. We have all kinds of cookies. We have sugar cookies. We have chocolate chip cookies, of course. And we have a chocolate top cookie, which is like a shortbread cookie with a chocolate topping on it. We also have butter cookies. And then cupcakes you can buy by the 6-pack. We also have like gourmet cupcakes. That's all I can think of right now.